In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop mattress in Houzz. First, open your web browser and go to the Houzz website. On the homepage, look toward the top navigation bar and click on Shop. This takes you into the Houzz shopping experience where everything is organized into clear categories so you can find what you need quickly. Next, choose the furniture category. Once you're in furniture, scroll down the page and look for the mattresses section. When you see it, click mattresses to open the full selection. This brings you to a dedicated page where you can browse all available options. On the left side, you'll see a filter panel designed to make browsing easier. Using these filters will save you time and help you zero in on the right fit. As an example, open the mattress type filter. Here you can select the construction that suits you best, such as memory foam, innerspring, hybrid, or latex. After you choose a type, the page will refresh to show only the mattresses that match your selection. You can also fine-tune your results by adjusting other filters like size, firmness, thickness, features, price range, and more. Take a moment to set these, so you're only seeing options that make sense for your bedroom and your budget. When you find a mattress that looks promising, click it to open the product page. This is where you'll get the details that matter: photos, measurements, materials, comfort features, warranties, and reviews from other shoppers. Use this information to confirm it meets your needs. Then, select your mattress size from the available options. Make sure it matches your bed frame or foundation, and choose the quantity you want. If delivery timing is important, glance at the estimated ship window so it aligns with your schedule. Once your size and quantity are set, click Add to Cart. If you want to keep browsing, you can return to the listings and compare a few favorites. When you're decided and ready to move forward, open your cart to review the item, size, quantity, and total. Everything look good? Click Proceed to Checkout to continue your purchase on the secure checkout page. That's it. You've navigated from the Houzz homepage to the shop section, drilled down to mattresses through furniture, filtered by mattress type and other preferences, selected your size and quantity, added the item to your cart, and moved on to checkout. Follow these steps, use the filters thoughtfully, and you'll find a mattress that fits your sleep style and your space with confidence.